And then we continue with Bojan Pahor with the second question. So maybe specifically about the situation of RDF, SRF in Slovenia, and how you see maybe the future and the development in the future. Yeah.
Thank you very much for this question. As I already mentioned, we are still in the middle of public debate whether we will have these incineration plants to be installed in Slovenia or not. One small one already successfully works in Celje for some years now, where 20,000 tons of RDF is allowed to be used. And of course, the most important user of SRF with, I think, annual consumption around 100,000 tons is Alpecin in Anhovo in cement production. Both companies, Energetika Celje and Anhovo, would like to extend their approval to use more RDF, which is of course normal. But again, Slovenian initiatives make enormous pressure to the agency and to the government with their claim to equalize the emission parameters for incineration and co-incineration, what could bring these projects and further development in some very inconvenient situation. Many studies of incineration and installation were prepared in Slovenia in the past, and you don't need to be very wise to realize that only two cities in Slovenia, Ljubljana and Maribor, are appropriate for use of this kind of projects because of sufficiently developed supporting superstructure. And I'm sure that you know that in Ljubljana is the main PR representative, Mayor Jankovic, who is sure that Ljubljana will have eventually this incineration plant, while in Maribor they are more quiet at the time being, so we don't know exactly what is going on there. If these two projects will be realized, I think all the produced RDF and SRF will be spent here for sure. According to some calculations, the potential of RDF production could be around 200,000 tons per year in Slovenia. At the moment, RDF is being produced in Saubermacher together with Kostak and Surovina. All the RDF that is not used in previous projects is actually exported. I found the data on the Slovenian agency ARSO. The number of export declarations grow every year by the rate of approximately 20%, and almost 90% of them are related to the export of waste metal, paper, plastics, and RDF. The leading countries at the moment are Turkey, Bosnia, and Serbia, but last year also Malaysia, Indonesia, and Vietnam are on the list. And in year 2021, we exported around 180 tons of different sources, from which around 40,000 tons was RDF. It is also worth to mention that we had the possibility to use SRF as an input material in thermal power plant in Šoštanj, which could also use the whole potential of RDF and SRF produced in Slovenia, but also in this case, civil initiatives has stopped the project and there is no possibility to go on with this project anymore. So to conclude, I can say that production of SRF and RDF in Slovenia has a stable and bright future, while its consumption in Slovenia not so, and is very unpredictable.
Yeah, thank you very much.